course, it involves Ezekiel Elliott.
Yes.
Now, what we're hearing is it looks like the suspension will begin this Sunday, 6 games.
Yeah.
That is because earlier today in New York, we just found out that his request for an injunction has been denied, which means that suspension begins this Sunday. But he will not play this week. His appeal will be heard. And when that appeal is heard, maybe things can change. But we don't know when that hearing is going to take place.
Yeah.
Could take place in the next 3 weeks, could take place in a week, could be after the season. So we don't know if it is a permanent 6-game suspension, but as of right now, B-Mac, it is on. And you see the schedule, what they're going to have to do here down the stretch. He would be eligible right now as it stands to come back the 24th against the Seahawks.
Against the Seahawks, and you look at this stretch right now, this is a difficult stretch for the Dallas Cowboys because they're on the road against Atlanta, a team that has struggled, but yet and still we believe they're a playoff caliber team.
Yeah.
And you look at the Eagles, so they're trying to really solidify their playoff spot. I believe right now, based on anything drastic happening, the Philadelphia Eagles will win the NFC East.
Looks like it.
And the Dallas Cowboys, let's keep it real, they understand that. But they're trying to find a way to get a wild card spot. And you're missing your most important player at the most critical time of the season. It could be a bit of a difficult task.
Again, this is breaking news right now happening in New York. So we've got much more on this throughout this show, so don't go anywhere. We will get back to that.